A stunning renovation invites one to move in and enjoy the covered arbor landscaped entrance, screened porch vista from the cathedral great room and private patio in main level master bedroom suite. New kitchen with wooden beams, new cabinets, leathered granite, stainless appliances, breakfast bar opening to a cozy den with custom bookcases and formal dining room with terrace views. Marble trimmed fireplace with shiplap trim.Stunning bamboo flooring and berber carpet. Bathrooms with marble floors and handsome vanities and tops. Storage plus storage closets and bonus areas above garage. Classy finishes, architectural trims and impressive features. Only in the Westlands, enjoy a casual lifestyle with newly renovated clubhouse, pool and future pickleball courts, gated security and impressive landscaped grounds.